Hey, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jason Wietharn, and I'm here to talk to you about something that we're really excited about, right? And that's all the AI capabilities that Microsoft is bringing to the table. If you haven't heard, Microsoft has released a slew into general release. That means that all this feature capability is now at your fingertips, right? And so we're super excited to share that with you and share these experiences. For us, when we look about what AI can bring, to me, it feels like a new era, right? When we think about business. And why do I say that? Because I really feel this is an opportunity for us to reimagine in small but very impactful ways how we can think about our day in the lives, right? Whether I'm a sales rep, a customer service rep, regardless of my role, right? There are these new capabilities that really help automate the mundane type of activity and really allow you as a user to do and focus on things that matter the most, right? So really, I think this is a new dawn, a new era in terms of how we can do business that really helps us all, right? Focus around our customers, right? And that's kind of like the point. It's about getting work done in a better way, right? Some of the things that we're seeing when we go out, right? And Microsoft and others have actually gone out and surveyed, but you see some of the stats here, right? 90% of people want simpler ways to automate their daily tasks, right? To where you think about all the way at the bottom, 72% of people wish the tools they use to collaborate were compatible with one another, right? And just think of the power of what we're seeing. And now these AI tools kind of bring all of this stuff together in a very simple and seamless way, which again, I think is just super, super exciting about how we do that. And when we do those things, it really helps, again, our teams, it's a continued theme to focus their time, their work activities on what matters, right? And I don't know about for you guys, but when I think about what matters for myself and my team, it's really about our customers and how we can spend more time with them and helping them be heroes, right? And probably very something similar to what you guys think out there, right? But look at this, 89% of employees who have had access to AI powered tools said they felt more fulfilled, right? Because they're getting more done, they're more productive. And what they're doing, they can actually see results. So it's reduced time on busy work, right? Spending more of your day generating ideas and content and bringing all that stuff together, right? So people can collaborate, make decisions, and drive things that really are meaningful, right? Pretty cool stuff. And then, when I use the word kind of reimagine, so here's that word again, right? The imagine what everyone can do with an AI assistant. But that truly is, right? My wife and I tease each other all the time, like, how's your day going? Boy, if I only had an assistant to help, take care of a couple of these calls and run this errand and do this for me, right? I don't need someone even full time, just a little bit of help. Boy, that would go a long way. But now we have that. Right? We have that. And there's a ton of use cases, right? We're just seeing a couple on the screen around how to help draft a sales proposal. How much time have we traditionally spent doing that, right? Probably too much time. Or you're in a meeting, but you think, that in the past you needed a scribe to take notes and then kind of summarize all those things and what those action items are and get that out. Now we can automate all of that kind of stuff, right? Pretty cool stuff. And then, of course, the last one I'll bring up here, which we don't think about a lot, but what does that error code mean? So now we can use AI to also help troubleshoot and think about how to solve, challenges that we're having. Love it. Absolutely love it, right? The other thing about Microsoft Copilot that we don't necessarily always think about, but how fluid it works with us is just we can naturally speak, right? It doesn't, we don't have to learn something new in terms of how we engage with Copilot and the AI capabilities, right? It's not like about, speaking one language to translate to another. We can naturally speak, right? And it can also help us take a look at huge amounts of data, right? Whether it's trying to summarize, looking for trends. That's such an interesting concept, right? A lot of times we look at KPIs and data points to make decisions, but a lot of times, right, if we're really trying to peel back the onion, it's what are those trends, right? What are those trends that allows us to predict and forecast more accurately, and maybe even think about how we need to shift our business to accommodate or to adjust because maybe we don't like the trends that are happening, right? Creating original content, that allows us, right, that freedom. So now we can create original and creative content that we might have spent hours, days, or even weeks, spending time with. So when you put that kind of, when you think about the Microsoft ecosystem and all this AI and Copilot capability to bring across the board, what I want to emphasize to everybody is that this roadmap that Microsoft has, it's across all of the business applications, right? Including what you also don't see here, Microsoft Office. So like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Teams, embedded in SharePoint. Now you got it in the business applications, everything from sales to service operations, all the way to your ERP functionality and capabilities. To me, this is a new era and really a huge opportunity for us, again, in small ways to reimagine, but have large impacts, right, to how we work and how we deliver value. So hopefully this was a little bit interesting to you. And if you have any questions, reach out to us. We're happy to have further conversations with you and talk about specific use cases that might be helpful. Again, thanks for your time. Have a great day.